Okay, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Ivana, if you're new here. Hello. I changed my channel name to Ivana with 3 N's. My name is spelled with 1, but my channel is spelled with 3. Anyways, if you care. I am filming a week in my life as a university student. I'm in my 4th week as a 4th year, and it's the pressure, guys. The pressure is getting worse. It's like there's so much stuff. My calendar is so full and I feel like I'm juggling, but I'm not stressed. I definitely feel like the Lord's peace over my life, which is really nice. I prayed that even in difficult times that I would feel at peace, and I definitely do feel that, which is great. But I'm also very cognizant of like all the stuff that needs to be done. But anyways, I'm like, let me take you guys along for my week because I have lots of like activities planned, not just like school stuff, but like I'm going to like see the Woman King, and like I'm going to like some Zoom events and some in-person events on campus. So yeah, I don't know that there's anything else I wanted to mention before I like get into it, but I hope you guys stay along for the ride. Hello to all my new friends. I noticed some other people have joined the family, and that's always very exciting. I'm currently way more active on my TikTok, so if you want more of me, you should go there. But until further notice, ready for your cameo?
안녕하세요, 여러분. My name is Uni. Can you guess what movie we're watching? So this is going to be a multiple choice question, but it's like
Are we? This movie scares me. it say? What does it say? What does it say? Wow, how cute. I got a Coke.
I was silenced. I want my voice back. The African kingdom of Dahomey is at a crossroads. A new king, Gesu, has just taken power.
My love. My love. Aniska, come with me. My king.
Hello, I am heading to the library this morning. I have a lecture at 12 and I have to do my readings beforehand. So I'm checking out one of the libraries. If you notice, I switch up where I study quite often. If I go to the library twice in a day, I won't go to the same one. I like to change my scenery. Also, there's so many beautiful libraries on this campus. So that's just something I enjoy doing. But anyways, I wanted to quickly chat about The Woman King, which I went to see with Eni yesterday, and oh my gosh, I loved. I personally was obsessed with it, and here are some of the reasons why. From a non-cinema film student, I'm just someone who likes to go see films sometimes in theater. First of all, I adore the cast. Stunning, beautiful men and women. I loved it. I loved it. I was like, this is just the most beautiful cast that I've ever seen in film in my life. I'm not even kidding. I was in love with every single person I looked at. I was like, they're so beautiful. Second of all, I love that the Dahomey they're the forefront of the film. Like, obviously that sounds, yeah, like it's about them. Why wouldn't they be the center? But I feel like women of color, specifically African women, are never central in their own narratives. So like, you'll write a story about them, but there'll be characters that are like the main characters. Like, you'll have like a white man as the main character, and then he's like his reflections on these women. But from this story's perspective, they are the forefront, and everyone else is kind of like viewed through their lens in like a sentence, which I absolutely loved. I was like, I'm here for it. I'm here for Black women being the center of their story. I was just so excited. Like the power, the just autonomy that was in these, like, it just made me so happy. I was like, yes, like, rip off his head. Like, guys, I had the best time. I really want to see it again. When it comes out on DVD, I will be purchasing it, okay? But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna head to the library now because it's after 9 and I want to get a good seat.
In the Academy in spring. And so in May
I know I said that this week would be filled with activities and things that weren't really school related, but honestly, I just ended up doing a lot of school, and I did go to those Zoom events and stuff, but they weren't really things that I could film. And yesterday, which was Friday, I completely forgot to film when I was at my NSA general meeting, which was fun. Like, we played games and stuff and did like song association and like mingled. I forgot to film, and I went to a football game after, and it's the only clip I have, which would just be so out of context. I decided not to include it. Sorry, guys.
Going this way.
Which way?
This way.
That is very cute. I mean, it's pointy right now. You have to flatten it a little bit. But
No.
you look very cute. This is a little haul with the new. Yes. Very vibey, very oh, the exposure dropped. Yes, yes. The skirt. Woo! Very nice. Very cute, very cute.
Are we going back home? Or
Oh, food first.